What does your company do?
We are an accounting firm. Sorge CPA.
So what does an accounting firm do?
We summarize financial transactions into the form of reports and give them to our clients.
Isn't there software which people can use to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So why do they pay you to do this when they could do it themselves?
We encourage them to do it themselves, if they have time, or if it makes sense in their current situation. Every business situation is different.
Okay. So you encourage them to learn what you do so that they do not need you anymore?
Sometimes. Yes, they may not always need us to enter data and produce reports. So the next step is to read the reports and understand them. Business is complex. Businesses get more complex with growth. In order to improve cash flow and avoid problems as a business grows, business owners need to recruit good advisors. Even seemingly very simple business operations have complexities which arise. Good advice is not only critical for success, good advice is critical to survival.
So you interpret what the reports say?
Yes. And talk to the business owners about what has happened in the business.
I see.
Help them understand what has happened. Then we talk about what we can do to improve things.
Help them make more money.
Yes, make more money, reduce their tax liability, stay out of trouble with IRS audits, plan for their financial future, plan for education, identify appropriate investments.
So you are really more advisors than bookkeepers?
Yes, way more. We learn about the client first. The reports help us with this. Also, conversations with them help us with this. Then we identify what their top current need is by asking questions, follow-up questions and the like.
Aren't business owner just looking for ways to make more money?
Yes, most of the business questions ideas generated have to do with establishing plans of action in order to make more money. In addition, there are oftentimes other needs such as even getting out of business, starting a new line of business, adding a partner, purchasing new equipment and so on.
Wow, so the reports are really only a small part of what you do?
Yes. The reports are really just a means to an end. Sorge CPA has a number of advisors who have many years of experience, always seeking the next way to make an improvement in the business or a personal financial situation.
I have been using QuickBooks. Can you help me?
Yes. Let's start by moving your QuickBooks file to our server and get you set up so that you can look at your financial statements from anywhere. Then let's discuss which parts of the process are best for you to take care of. We can look for ways to improve the accounting process. From here we can determine if we might save more tax by changing the entity type. Ultimately, we would like to take a look at your financial statements and discuss your goals.
That sounds pretty good.
This all works well when we work together. We both have to agree to do that. We need your help. The most successful business owners work together with us in order to work smart. Communication is the most important part.
I agree. I have to know what my goals are and be willing to learn every day. Communication goes both ways. We have to work together. Running a business is complex, and there are landmines everywhere. Let's move forward. Carefully. What is my next step?